Warning, odors prepare to be oxidized with MOMS from OdorXit. In this video, we will show you how to use the Mold-Odor-Mildew-Smoke product to take back your home from odors. First, open the silver Mylar MOMS packet, making sure not to open the white inner pouch. Next, fill a clear 2-liter bottle with cold water. Remove the white pouch and slightly bend it to fit into the clear 2-liter bottle filled with water. Let the packet soak for at least 1 hour. The water will turn a yellow-green color. Fill a quarter of your sprayer with the solution. Fill the remainder with cold water. Use less solution if you would like to extend its coverage. You can fill any size container. Spray the affected area or item with the solution. The enemy odor is defeated. Close the bottle tightly and refrigerate to extend the life of the unused concentrate. OdorXit MOMS is ready to oxidize or eliminate the odor from gloves, knee and shoulder pads, mold and mildew from stalls and tacks, mothball odor, flood restoration, dust mites, smoke fire, and even wacky tobacco. Also great to spray on odors located on uneven surfaces like carpet and stucco, and so much more. And that's not all. It can also remove mold from clothes stored in a basement without damaging them, remove germs from doorknobs, and win the battle against animal dander on your couch. It is safe to spray everywhere.